They'll give you some examples in test questions to make sure you understand the difference between a bilateral and a unilateral contract. Basic differences are laid out here. You had these in your coursework. A bilateral is two promises, a promise for a promise. Typical example would be a purchase agreement. I promise to sell you my house if you promise to buy my house, and you agree on the terms. Purchase agreements are bilateral contracts. A unilateral contract is where only one of the parties makes a promise. An example of that would be an option agreement. If I come to you and say, I'd like to buy an option to buy your property. Let's use that as an example. I want to buy an option to buy your property, which means we'll talk about options in a minute, but it would basically work this way. I give you some money in the option agreement, and you give me the option to buy the property within a set period of time. Let's say within a year, you've given me an option to buy your property for $300,000. I give you some option money up front, but now who's made promises? Did I promise to buy the property? No. I have an option to buy the property. However, did you as the seller make a promise to sell it to me if I choose to buy it? Yes, your promise is there in the option agreement. So if I come in to you within the next year and say, I've decided I want to buy your property, you have to sell it to me. Yes, you've promised to sell it to me. But I did not promise to buy it. I bought the option. So an option agreement will be the most common example for a unilateral contract.